For over here, should I cheat and get my ruler? I want to make straight lines. So on this one, I am going to use my ruler and make straight lines. When you make straight lines with ink, your ruler should not go on top of the line that you just made because it could smudge it. So I'm just using my eye and the ultrafine pen. I'm not applying pressure, but I'm going back and forth a couple of times. And this does eat your pen. So what I'm going to do with this, I am making a checkerboard, if you can see that. Alright, so that's the checkerboard. Oh my, let's see. How about some squares or rectangles? I am just going to stagger them. I may fill them in, I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe I will. Okay, so we'll fill those in. Let's see. So this was the hairpiece that I fixed. It looks so much better now. But it's very, very rough over there. Oh my. I have to make sure I don't start in one of her pieces that I already did. Okay. So on this one, I'm using my, I always forget the name of this, the fine tip point, right? So I'm doing that. So I did the lines going that way. And now I will do the lines going this way. Find something else. So something like that one, except this time we're going to use wavy lines. And you know, you can come up with your own designs before you do them on your piece. Just practice on a piece of paper first and make sure you like what you're doing. So that looks good. I guess I can just do, well, I have squares over there. I don't know. So on this one, I am going to do stripes and just use the ruler. And then I want to come back and fill in the lines to make the stripes. So that is the stripes.